In this lesson, we are going to talk about repeatable annotations. Here we have our annotation with two elements. We apply this annotation to our second class and set the values of the elements. What happens if we apply another of the same annotation? By default, we will get an error because it's not allowed. We can sort this out with repeatable annotations. Repeatable annotation can be useful when you need to annotate an element with the same annotation multiple times. For example, you may want to apply it with different values. Now, the first step is to annotate our annotation with repeatable. However, the repeatable annotation requires a reference to a second annotation called a container annotation. The purpose of the container annotation is to provide a way to group and hold the repeated annotations together. Now, we will create a new annotation to function as the container annotation. We will call it my annotations. Notice the S at the end to differentiate it from the original my annotation. Generally, the name of the container annotation is a plural form of the repeatable annotation. You can always give it another name if you wish, but this is just the normal practice. In this annotation, we will define a value array. The type of this array is the annotation you want to repeat. So notice that the name is value and the type is the annotation you want to repeat. We will annotate it with retention since we will use it at runtime. Also, I will add the inherited annotation since the original repeatable annotation is also inherited. And since these two will work together, I might as well just add this here. So after all is done, we pass in the container annotation as the argument to the repeatable annotation. We can see that the error is gone. So this code retrieves an annotation of type my annotations from a second class instance. Now, the my annotation objects are obtained from the value attributes of the my annotations annotation. It then iterates over the stream of my annotation objects and prints some information about each annotation. The level and amount methods are called on each my annotation object to get the corresponding values, and we print them in the console. So this is generally how you work with repeatable annotations. I know compared to what we worked in the past, this is a little bit more, will I say, a little bit more complex. So you might need to look at it twice, watch the lesson twice to really get how it works. You can also read more about it. So this is what you need to know about the repeatable annotation. Hey, have you enjoyed the lesson so far? At Lemobit Academy, we are committed to providing you with the best educational resources to help you achieve your goals. Now, with your support, we can continue to create even more valuable content. By giving just a small super thanks under our videos, you can play a crucial role in keeping our courses free for everyone. Now, this is a simple action from you, but it is very powerful in showing your appreciation and helping us create more quality education. Now, our goal is to make more free content, and we will keep doing that. But with the super thanks, it helps us make more super content. Thank you.